How to change audio in Instagram Reels after posting. So if you want to change the audio in Instagram Reels after posting, then what you need to do is just open up your Instagram application, and after that go with the bottom right, which has that profile option, and simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with the help, and tap on report a problem, and again tap on report a problem, and it will start creating a bug. Go with don't include, and here you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So you just need to simply write, I want to unlock the feature to be able to change my audio on my Instagram Reels after posting. Once you've written that, you can go with the send, which is on the upper right, and it will be sent, and Instagram will notify you within 24 hours on how you can fix that problem. But if you've updated, then you can simply go with your reel, tap on it, and then if you've externally added the audio, then you can simply go with the bottom right, which has that 3 dots, and then you can tap on edit, and you'll be able to change the audio. Or just go with an image, go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots, tap on edit, and then you'll be able to add music, which is on the upper right. Tap on add music, and then you can add music to your images or your post. But on Reels, we don't have that feature yet. So after reporting, you'll notify about the message and you will have that issue fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.